Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into InVideo, create videos from template step. Open your web browser and go to the InVideo website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type in your password in the second field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. You will be logged into your InVideo account. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard with various options. To create a video, click on the Templates section in the menu. Browse through the variety of templates available. Select a template that fits your project's theme or style. Click on the chosen template to view more details. On the template page, click the Use this template button. You will be directed to the video editor interface. Here, you can customize the template to your liking. Add your text, images, and videos as needed. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click on the Export button. Choose your preferred video resolution before finalizing. Wait for the processing to complete. Your video will be ready for download once processing is done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.